All right, Lauren, let's talk about that outfit.
Oh, well, thanks. I mean, our colors look so good together.
I'd like to think so. I'm so glad you're here.
Me too.
Well, hi there.
Hi, everyone.
We're so glad you're here. I'm José Rolón, New York City wedding planner, TikTok personality, and co-host of Wedding Talk. Here with me is Lauren Bercier, CEO and founder of Something Borrowed Blooms.
Thank you, Jose. I'm so excited to be here.
So today, we're gonna watch some of the most romantic weddings you will ever see. From the vows, to the first looks, to the way these couples interact with one another. You can really feel the love. And I think I'm uniquely suited to determine what's ultra romantic because some of you may not know this, but my birthday's on Valentine's Day.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Born on Valentine's Day and became a wedding planner? I guess you really can't top that. You're like the perfect person to host this special about the most fairy tale weddings.
I didn't want to go there, but you said it. And of course, romance means something different to everyone. Today, we're gonna watch an intimate wedding in Joshua Tree with super sentimental vows and an over-the-top luxurious wedding in DC. Equally romantic, but so different.
Absolutely. First up is Madeline and Van's charming wedding in Joshua Tree. They actually got married on their 5th anniversary of dating. Jose, is that something you see often, couples who get married on their dating anniversary?
I actually do see a lot of couples doing that. Some of the sweetest reasoning I've seen behind date choices have been couples choosing to wed on their loved ones' anniversaries, like parents and grandparents.
Oh my gosh, that is really sweet. Now, let's get to this wedding. Here is Madeline and Van by Vivey Creative.
Van, you came into my life at exactly the right time. When I wasn't ready, and yet when I needed your love the most.
Madeline, I never told you this, but when I first saw you, I knew that I would marry you. I still remember following you into that bar, hoping that you were the one I was here to meet. Everyone stopped what they were doing to look at you. And when you turned around, I knew it was you, and you were here for me. You weren't just beautiful, but also creative, driven, and strong. I felt a deep respect for the kind of person you were. I could see you as my true partner in life.
Perfection takes time.
Little did I know that underneath that calm and composed exterior was the silliest, weirdest, most affectionate, loving person I've ever met. Few people get to see this side of you, but I'm lucky that you've shown it to me. That's who I've fallen in love with. I vow to spend the rest of my life loving you.
Today marks our 5-year anniversary of our first date. And in the past 5 years, we've experienced great adventures and literal disasters together. These trials have pushed the boundaries of what we thought we could endure. And in the end, I feel more strongly connected with you each and every day.
Let's do this, huh?
I love you dearly for all that you are. I love how you approach everything with an infectious passion for adventure, your loyalty to family and friends, and I'm continuously amazed by your love for food above all else.
I know that life isn't easy. There's no light without the dark. I vow to work together to overcome any challenges we may face, to evolve together to become the best versions of ourselves, to be your shelter when there's a storm.
Today I become your wife, your life partner, and I can't wait for all the blessings and adventures we will encounter together in this lifetime. I really, really love you.
Van and Madeline, by the powers of love and commitment and the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
So as we look forward to the rest of our lives as husband and wife, let's make our marriage so full of magic and adventure that we'll have to pinch ourselves to make sure we aren't dreaming. Let's live our lives so that at the end of it, we have no regrets, just a memory bank full of all the special moments we've shared together, stitched together like the most beautiful dream we could ever imagine. You're my one and only. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Let's grow old together.
Talk about romantic, right?
Oh my gosh, I know those vows had me tearing up all over again. They always get me. But vows can also be really stressful for people. So do you have any tips?
You know what it is? I think what stresses couples out is thinking about what it's gonna be like from the guest perspective. What are family and friends gonna think? But I think it really has to be all about you. Make sure it's personal. And if you think you're gonna get a little emotional, then what's been trending is a lot of couples have been reading their vows to each other before the ceremony. And this way it's a little bit more personal and a little bit more emotional, which is really sweet.
I like that. It's very helpful. Next up, we have Efua and Gabe's Nigerian Ghanaian fusion wedding at the National Cathedral in DC by Iris Films.
I think you're really gonna like this one.
Wait till you see the flowers and the gifts.
Look good, babe. Wow.
Dearly beloved, we have come together in the presence of God to witness and bless the joining together of this man and this woman in holy matrimony. On this day, on this wonderful day, we all here hope and pray for you, Efua and Gabriel, for many things, for both of you, in your marriage. Joy, peace, happiness, purpose, good health, prosperity, children, long life, and many, many more things. So place your hands together into the hand of God. Go with Him. Know Him. He is your good shepherd. He will guide you if you turn to Him, and will always bless you.
I love you all. I'm glad I was able to be a part of this journey. I'm glad I was able to witness true love, unconditional love. I love you guys.
God will bless this union. Anything that you need, look to God first. I'm in love. Thank you.
are one here today. Whether Ghana, Nigeria, today, we are one and we're going to have a great time together.
I'm excited, man. I'm ready to get married and enjoy my life with my wife.
The Lord mercifully with his favor look upon you and fill you with all spiritual benediction and grace, that you may faithfully live together in this life and in the age to come have life everlasting.
Lauren, did I see that right? Was there a floral archway in her bridal suite?
That was so over the top luxurious. It was beautiful. I loved it.
What I want to talk about is all those flowers in the reception. And this is your wheelhouse. What were your thoughts on it?
I was just like in awe of the florals. They were amazing. But I know when I was planning my own wedding, I had all these dreams of this amazing floral installation, but let's be honest here, sometimes budget doesn't always allow for that. So that's why we started Something Borrowed Blooms. You can rent amazing silk flowers and get that over the top look and really maximize your floral budget by renting flowers.
And honestly, I'm seeing a lot of florists now that are using a combination of both.
Absolutely, you can mix them and the outcome is amazing.
All right, we need to talk about the gift giving.
I know, did you see Gabe's gift to Efwa with all the balloons? I mean, how amazing. Gifting and getting is totally my love language, so that was right up my alley. What about you, Jose? Would you rather give or receive gifts?
I personally love to give, but my love language is actually words of affirmation.
All right, everyone, that's it for today. Join us next episode. We'll have more love, more romance, and of course, more wedding tips and tricks.
Bye.